package from UPS. They deliver to the door. We don't have a cluster box for them, so we got to be careful because of porch pirates these days. It's good to have somebody at home. But anyhow, let's see what they brought us. Shopping by mail and UPS has really changed the way you do shopping. Big box. I wonder what it could be.
What is that?
That's it, that's it.
That's so big.
Just like in the PH.
You should
The
cook
14
food,
inch.
huh?
You have to teach me how to make pancit in here.
Okay.
Wow, it has some weight to it. I didn't think it'd be that big.
What makes you think to order this kind of wok?
The other day we only had a small pan like this
And then?
to make the pancit, and you couldn't stir it.
Oh, okay, okay.
So we need a wok.
Thank
Well,
you.
you call it something else. I can't remember what it's called.
Kalaha. Again what?
Oh, the rest is just paper. There must be another one.
Oh!
The other one must be in the USPS.
My goodness. Okay.
Non-stick. Dishwasher safe. Even base. Heat base.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Let's see how it looks on the stove. Probably have to use this one here. No?
Okay, start cooking na. Okay guys, so that's it.
That's it, pancit.
Thank you so much for watching his video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button for more video update.
You want this?
What is that for?
It's like instructions.
Bye guys.
We'll see you. Like and subscribe to Q Family Vlogs.